Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the iRobot Roomba 105. If you're interested in the 105, the link to it will be in the video description. So restarting, simple and straightforward. It's a simple power cycle. We're not resetting or wiping or erasing any data. This is a simple powering off and back on. So currently right here with our vacuum, we have our power button right below the home button. So we just press that, the lights illuminate. Our vacuum is on. We're going to hold down this power button for a couple of seconds here.
Powering off.
It says powering off. Now we can let go. That's going to be 15 seconds, give or take a little bit there. The lights are off. We'll just give it a second now to hang out with it being powered off. And then we're going to do the same thing in reverse order. We're going to hold down the power button. The lights came on. I'm going to let go. It's going to start blinking. If you can see that there. Our studio lights are bright. You'll hear a start up too, letting you know it's powering on. But the lights are blinking first. They'll flash.
Powering on.
Now they're solid and it said powering on. So very simple and straightforward to restart or reboot your iRobot Roomba 105.